So I've been dealing with chronic pancreatitis. I was never diagnosed. I've had endoscopes done and was treated for ulcers, acid reflux. So I've had medical issues because of it, with cardiac arrest, respiratory distress, and failure. And it's all associated with pancreas, chronic pancreatitis. It feels like you're being stabbed with a butcher knife right through your stomach. And your back constantly hurts. You cannot hold a job. You need help with your housework.
Our team here at Koligo Therapeutics is dedicated to delivering curative regenerative medicine products to patients suffering from serious diseases such as DARLA. Our first commercial product is Kyslecel. Kyslecel is made from a patient's own pancreatic islets and is used in a procedure called total pancreatectomy with islet auto-transplant, or TP-IAT. TP-IAT is truly a transformative procedure for patients suffering from the pain of chronic pancreatitis.
The whole point of the operation is to get rid of the pancreas, to get rid of the pain associated with chronic pancreatitis. This islet auto-transplant portion of the procedure is to make the operation safer and reduce the diabetic complications.
Kyslecel is made from your own pancreas, specifically the islet cells that produce insulin. Your surgeon removes the diseased pancreas, sends it to Koligo, and we isolate your islets to make Kyslecel. Kyslecel is then infused into your liver, where the islets are expected to function and produce the insulin needed to regulate your blood sugar.
Coming out of the native pancreas, we wash the pancreatic islet cell several times and then we infuse into the patient.
My goal is to provide the best quality islet cells isolated from a human pancreas and provide to patient.
I had a great team. So my next appointment is just waiting to go and have them tell me you don't need any more insulin shots.
Kyslecel is currently available for children and adults in the eastern United States and will soon be available across the country and internationally.
We actually have a viable product, something that is being produced today. And what's really exciting is that we have ideas then to improve that product that's going to change more lives.
We're already thinking as far as future products, how to create a way of producing insulin from instead of an islet, from a cell manufacturing system.
Koligo's R&D technology platform uses 3D bioprinting, adipose-derived vascular endothelial cells, and other tissue processing techniques to bioprint pre-vascularized three-dimensional structures that contain functional cell and tissue, what we call our 3DV technology. The 3DV platform is the engine that will drive our future product development. Koligo expects the 3DV technology to result in products that are safer, more efficacious, and last longer with a reduced risk of transplant failure as compared to current cell and tissue transplants.
The future of Koligo is developing a whole portfolio of regenerative medicine products to treat serious diseases and delivering those to patients.
For more information on Koligo and TP-IAT with Kyslecel, visit us at koligo.net.